Alan Kayanan. I am the managing partner and founder of Supernova Dragon Financials. Well, super excited because I get to witness the best of the best athletes in the entire planet. So I'm really looking forward to this awesome experience. Si EJ Obiena kasi yung customized shoes na ginamit niya nung last ASEAN Games, pina-auction niya to raise funds para sa mga bata na gusto ring matuto na mag-pole vault. Nakakabilib yun. And also, I'm rooting for him dahil second na siya sa buong mundo and alam ko nagpa-practice pa siya ng matindi. So I'm confident na kayang-kaya niyang masungkit yung ginto ngayong taon. Well, my message to my fellow life changers is let's continue protecting more Filipino lives. Kasi this is very fulfilling, It allows us to provide the best for our families, and also run our own business and get to enjoy exciting travel incentives such as this one. Sa atin pong mga bayani na magdadala ng ating bandila ngayong Summer Olympics sa Paris, may God be with you. And be proud no matter what. As long as you do your best, God will do the rest. All the best. I'm ready to be amazed and be inspired by our athletes. This year, we will leap into greatness.